Yeah, we got a 2019 Ram 1500. Basically, what we did, we added the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. So because they already tried breaking into his truck, so he wanted to make sure that that doesn't happen again. So he gave us a call, and we end up incorporating the shock sensor to the factory alarm. Because what happens under these trucks, when you buy them, they don't come with any type of, they do come with the factory alarm if you open the door, it fires off, but they don't have any type of impact sensor. So you can take a baseball bat and destroy this whole truck from bumper to bumper and nothing will happen. And only if you open the door, and then that's when the alarm's gonna go off. I'm gonna go ahead and trip the alarm by banging on the key lock. That fires off the alarm. Basically, it protects the whole truck, bumper to bumper. Any windows that they bang on it will fire off. Then as far as the inside, they did a really nice job. They kicked it up a notch in these trucks. I love the screen here, this real big screen. It's nice. You can't ask for more. Real nice truck. Yep, maybe one day I'll buy one. So anyway, this is the shock sensor add-on. Thank you for watching this videos. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. We can come out to you and add this shock sensor upgrade to your factory alarm system. Thank you for watching the video.